Hello and welcome to taik18. I'm Ahmad Adnan. In this video, we are going to discuss about an amazing features of Power BI which I haven't added in my channel. So this is basically about Power BI aggregations. So we will discuss everything about this one. What is Power BI aggregations, why it is, how it is, and what is the future of this one. So this is not going to be one single video because this is a long topic and you need to understand slowly. So I'm going to make a series of videos of this one. So first of all, what is Power BI aggregations? So aggregations in Power BI can improve query performance over very large direct query data set. By using aggregations, you cache data at the aggregated level in memory, which is basically, if you have a large data set, then you can add an aggregated value as an import mode and keep the detailed information in direct query itself. Yes, in a single report, you can make use of both direct query and import mode features in Power BI. So there are two types of aggregations which we have. One is user-defined aggregations and the next is automatic aggregations. So the user-defined aggregations is possible for the pro license users, and if you have pro workspace, then you can do that. But for automatic aggregations, this need to be a Power BI premium capacity. It is not possible for the pro versions of workspace. So in this series, first of all, we'll discuss about the user defined one because this can be helpful for most of the organizations and they can make best use of these things. So this is the Power BI desktop file I have used here, and here if you can see the ribbon chart, which is the sales by category as an import, and this is sales by gender, which is also import, and this is just the sum of sales amount. I will discuss this about this later. And this is sales by sales order number, which is a direct query. And I have just opened up this performance analyzer, view performance analyzer, and refresh the visuals. And if you see this one, the shape is actually about this one, and the sales by category, which is 3 seconds, and sales by customer gender, this is also the pie chart, and this is also almost 4 seconds, and this is about the 4 seconds, and the sales by this direct query, it has taken almost 9.5 seconds, almost the double, right? So whatever we have it here, the reason is because obviously this is an import mode and this is a direct query, so it will take time itself. But if you consider this is a small data set which is connected in SQL Server on locally in my machine, and it is almost like 60,000 records here. So, and for this also based on the performance of my laptop, so it is taking this much of time. So let's assume if you have millions of records in your data set, in your database, and you want to refresh this in a direct query, then obviously it will take a lot of time to load the report. So this is the time where you use this functionality of user defined aggregations, where you can import a certain level of data up to a point wherever how much you need, and for the detailed information you can keep this as a direct query. So the initial load of the report, everything will be worked fast, and when the user need a detailed level of information, at that time they can go to the direct query. For that they can wait to get those information, and even if we drill down to a certain level of category, product, and then the detailed sales order, at that time the information might be less, and also it will retrieve much faster when compared to loading everything into direct query, all the report at once, obviously, right? So this is what about the aggregated tables, and this is the reason behind that why we need to use this functionality when we are developing our report. So for the balance part, we will discuss about this in our next part of this video. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.